Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I am going to share a new nail polish color which I weekly do so in my nail polish of the week videos. So yeah, first of all you want to start off with clean nails as usual and go in with your base coat. You can pick any base coat of your likings. I am going in with my favorite, which is by PJR Care nail polish. It's just their regular base coat. So yeah, definitely grab your own nail supplies as well and paint your nails together with me while watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, hi, welcome. I would really appreciate it if you would like to subscribe, hit that notification bell as well if you want to be noted every time I upload a new video, which is at least 3 times a week. And of course, you will become a part of my little nail family here at YouTube as well. But let's get back to the application of these polishes because this is a full-on manicure. So yeah, apply your favorite base coat. You can even like layer or do some kind of like base coat sandwich kind of style by using a couple of different base coats, which is something that I love to do as well. It definitely helps out a lot, like preventing any staining or discoloration of your natural nail plates, because you guys know these are my natural nails. And yeah, of course, like using nail polishes all the time like I do, you can't fully like make sure that there aren't any stains or prevent any discoloration. It just doesn't happen. Some colors are just too stark with their pigments, just super pigmented. They go through any base coat, but this base coat by PJR Care nail polish is actually pretty good and it dries really fast as well. But what I love to do is just take one by Essence, for example, and this one, or maybe even one by Holo Taco, and just layer it up to make sure there is at least not as much as staining or discoloration. But yeah, for a color like the one I'm using in this particular video, which is by the way one by Essie and one of my favorites lately, this one is called Can Do Attitude. It is a very light, like dusty green kind of color. With colors like these, like very light colors, you don't have a lot of staining as it is or discoloration, but of course always make sure to add a base coat anyways, because it doesn't only prevent staining and such, it also prevents your nail polish for chipping and or from chipping and tip wear and stuff like that. It just has a really nice base, something for your nail polish color to really grab onto, grip onto, and stay put for a longer period of time as well. I have gotten some questions from people who have like more oily nail plates and stuff like that, or people who have maybe some more sweaty hands, and that their nail polishes and gel polishes, by the way, don't stay put. The polish just peels off and so on. And I've been asked if I could share some tips and tricks to actually prevent that from happening. Well, one thing that I love to do, especially when it comes to gel polishes, but you can easily just do the same thing when you only use regular nail polishes, is to dehydrate your nail plate. It sounds a little scary, but it really isn't, and the most soft way to do so, to remove any oil or dust or maybe even sweat from your nail plate, because you know, we're people, we all sweat. Some people sweat a lot, some people don't sweat at all. I am very lucky. I don't really have like a big sweat gland, just to put it like that. I rarely sweat, and I rarely sweat on my hands as well, so I have pretty dry, just regular normal nail plates as it is. But what you can do to get rid of all the extra oils and dust and debris and so on is just to go in with a cotton pad or a round or anything like that and a little bit of rubbing alcohol. I prefer using the 96% alcohol to just get rid of any dust, especially if I just buffed up my nails before I'm applying gel polish. So yeah, that is something that I tend to do, which isn't really bad for your nails either if you don't do it too often. So yeah, I hope that answers your question a little bit. That's just a little tip I wanted to share in this video. But let's get back to this beautiful nail polish color, because this one is by Essie, as I mentioned. I really love this color. It is gorgeous like on its own, but also as a nail art base. I actually used this color when I did my hand painted roses design, which I will leave at the end of this video if you're curious to see how I did that. It's really, really easy, so definitely check it out if you're interested in that. It's just a really fun and cute design, and I'm sure that anyone can recreate it. But it is pretty much opaque in 2 thin coats, as you can see right here. I just applied 2 coats, of course, waited a couple of minutes in between each layer to make sure that the polish is almost completely dry before going in with the next. I just really love this color. It is just very spring-like, but I feel like you can wear it pretty much all year round because it is a lovely muted color. It isn't only spring related or appropriate, if you want to put it to that. And yeah, that is pretty much it. I love it. Essie is a little bit more expensive than your regular drugstore nail polish. I just recently found out that Essie is actually a salon quality nail polish, hence the higher price, especially here in the Netherlands. Essie is about 10 euros a bottle, which is not really drugstore like priced anymore in my opinion, but that's the reason why. They are simply salon brand. So yeah, I just wanted to share that as well. For top coat, which I'm applying already, I'm just talking a lot in this video. I hope you don't mind. A lot of you actually don't mind me talking a lot about different nail stuff in these kinds of videos. So yeah, definitely let me know if you have any other questions or something when it comes to prepping the nail or filing or application or anything like that. I'm always really happy to help you guys out, so if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. But for top coat, I'm going in with my Mirror top coat by PJR Care nail polish. Once again, I've been raving about this brand, but it seriously is so good. Like, the quality is amazing, and they are originally Dutch as well, so yay Dutchies. But this was the entire nail polish of the week video already. I'm just so in love with this color. It is a very nice color just to wear it in between like very bright outgoing kind of manicures or something like that. I think it's a really pretty color on its own, but once again, very suitable for nail art as a base or even as an accent color. I think it's a very cute muted green, like dusty green kind of color. And yeah, it is a green that I love, and greens are my least favorite color, but this one I definitely love. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you liked it, and yeah, I love you so much. Keep safe and healthy and so on, and I hope to see you in one of my next videos as well.